Yeah, you running off, my hands are tied. You coming back, my hands are tied.
Hey guys, it's Morgan Ann, and I'm back with another video. This time it's my, I don't even know how to say it, but I'm apartment hunting for my first ever apartment. Literally my life has changed so much in the last 2 months, and now it's time to look for an apartment for your girl. So today we're going to be looking at 6 apartments. I'm trying to move beginning of October, late September, so I need to start getting an idea of like where I want to live, that kind of stuff. I want to live close to my job. My job right now is like almost 40 minutes away from my house, so I'm looking around in that area. My budget is between like $1,100 to $1,400 before utilities, which I'm excited. So we're seeing like different price points. I'm going to be talking about so much, and I'm going to be showing you the apartments, and I'm looking for a 1-bedroom to 2-bedroom, so it really just depends on what, you know, each place offers. I'm like really excited, guys. Like I don't even know how to explain it. It's hot, it's Arizona. It's 9:20. We are heading to our first appointment, which is so very exciting, and I'm going with my mom, so you'll be seeing my mom a lot in this video. If you haven't seen this face before, subscribe to be part of this fam bam. Also follow me on Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, and TikTok at IamSimplyMorgan. Tell your girl what's up, what's happening, and let's get this apartment hunting started. Whoop whoop.
It's nice. Oh, yes, pretty buddy there. Oh, I like it. I like how it looks.
I like the cabinet space. I feel like this is enough for me.
A lot of space in here.
And then I feel like this is definitely enough space. I just don't know where I would put. Oh, I could go out through the patio? Oh, wow. Oh, yeah. Oh, wow. This is, I didn't know. Wow. And there's storage here and a pantry there. Oh, wow. There's even desk space here. Look, Mom.
Oh, I like how this is, because this is actually for you to be able to put an office. The bedroom is kind of small.
Yeah, it's a little small. Okay. I mean, we
It would
could.
be, it's going to be kind of tight.
But this closet,
The
though.
closet
The space in this closet
is awesome.
is everything.
This is small. The only thing that I don't like about this here is the potential of someone being able to jump your gate.
Oh my God. A soaking tub. This tub's really big.
Yes, I actually like this. I like this too.
Mhm.
And look at all this drawer space and everything. And towel space.
Oh, see. Oh, okay. So this is how it pulls out. And the dining space. That's still nice dining space, right, Mom? Kitchen is nice size.
You have the couch.
Yeah, because this is the dining area.
Oh, everyone's chair can go over there.
Hmm?
Everyone's chair can go over there.
Yeah, this is the dining area.
Over your back.
So, are all the stoves gas?
Yes.
Okay.
Oh, wow.
What?
It's going to be gas.
Yeah.
Save money. People get excited about that.
It's because you don't really see gas out here. At least gas stoves.
Yeah.
Nice size bathroom. Still my big old tub that I need. You know. And then bedroom size.
Bedroom size is really nice.
Yeah. It's a nice size bedroom size.
Yes.
And then a giant mirror and shelving. And then a very large closet.
That's very nice. There's a lot of storage in here.
Yeah, there's a lot of storage. Oh, wow. And there is. There's a lot.
Oh my goodness, yes.
I like the space size over here. And the patio space is still really, it's a really nice size.
I like this. I want to. No.
I want it to look look back on this for myself, but whatever.
So I like this. You've got really good storage here, Morgan.
Yeah.
And
Washer and dryer.
is right here.
Yeah.
Really awesome.
There's a lot of storage.
Yes.
Very big on
The
storage. We
Oh,
were
this
built, like,
kitchen.
in the mid-90s, so there's a very big focus on that, which is nice.
Oh, I like the cabinetry. I like that it's not like, because the appliances are black, but it's not like dark.
And,
Yeah.
and let me just say this here, Morgan, if push comes to shove, you can always take these light bulbs out and you can put in the bright ones.
You can
to make
always
it lighter.
Oh yeah, we allow you. You can take them out. We just ask that like you keep ours, because obviously you don't take yours.
Yeah.
You got them.
It's gonna be perfect for my egg chair. On my patio furniture. Hell, the egg chair could actually fit in here. But right there in the corner. I thought myself an egg chair.
The ones that like are really big and like that have like the little, not the
It's
handle.
almost
That's not what I'm looking for.
Like-
They kind of like float.
not the swinging one, but
No,
it's on
okay.
the
The stable ones. Okay. I like the swinging ones.
The ones that are still.
I like the swinging ones. Your mom said no.
She don't do the swinging ones. Look at the storage right here. Oh my god, look how large this is. This is so nice. This is a nice sized bedroom.
This is a nice sized room, honey dear.
So literally in the 2-bedroom, you just have this room a little bit bigger on the opposite side.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Oh wow. And then the closets. Oh yes. I had too much clothes. Oh my god, look at this. Look at all of this, Mom. See this?
I like this.
Closet space. Ah! All the closet space for me. Ah, Jesus Christ. And I don't have to buy a mirror.
See?
Because I was literally looking at that because I really wanted the IKEA one, and that's like $130.
Oh, I know. That's why I always tell you, because this is my thing, because
Oh yes. Ooh. Move over. Look at this. This tub is deep. You see how I mean, it don't really matter. I'm not that tall, but still.
You know what I'm saying? It still looks nice.
Oh, that shower head is very tall. That is tall. I adjust mine in my own house because I share the bathroom with taller people. So I'm just like, let me fix this so it can go down.
you gotta make it work, especially when you're short.
Oh, I like the little wood stuff.
Oh wow. The fake dog scared the shit out of me. Oh wow. Whew. These cabinets. Really nice. Oh, the laundry's right there. Wow, that's nice. Countertops. It's very spacious. Oh look, they have a bar cart. I know.
Right here.
That's nice. That's really nice. And then look, they have a bar cart right here. And then the living room space seems good enough for these. Definitely.
Because you could put your egg chair right here.
And then the sliding door.
Oh, okay. Wow. Okay.
So it brings in a lot of lights.
Brings in a lot of light. Okay. Wow. That's really nice. That would be nice with mine. I'll have to work on getting mine. You can live the bathroom better than your mama.
Oh wow. This is nice. The sink is very small.
Yeah.
That's very nice.
Oh wow. It shows you what. So guess what?
I still have space. Oh hell, I could put my egg chair in here.
You could put your egg chair in here if you chose to. But I wouldn't, because you also need to have a space for.
It's a nice sized closet. I think, is the closet at the whatchamacallit that we were just at bigger?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's still a nice size.
Yeah. It's very nice size.
So, in looking in here, all your stuff will be able to be over here, and it not be. This could be your same setup, except this has more space, so it wouldn't be so clustered in. But
oh, you got my stuff? I'm not crazy about the cabinets with the granite. I don't like the color. The laundry being next to the bedroom. Oh, this is a nice sized bedroom. Oh, and it's like a really nice sized walk-in closet too. This is actually not that bad for $1,200.
yeah.
Wow. So, damn. This view is freaking amazing. So what do you think? This is what I mean when I said at the last place.
Yes. But I wanted you to be able to say the one thing that I wanted you to say.
Yeah, I didn't like it, okay, Mom? Okay. This looks like this is a king size bed.
King size bed.
I'm fine with the space.
So this space here is fine because with the queen, you're gonna cut off about this much more.
On each side.
Yeah. Bathroom looks really good.
Yeah. Oh, guard. Oh, there's a door just for here too.
Yes. Ooh, look how big that one is.
Oh yeah, that's nice. Look at that shower rod.
Yes.
The shower head. And it's nicely lit in here. This closet's huge.
Yep.
This is a really nice sized closet.
And guess what? If you needed to, and you needed a dresser or something,
I
you
could
could
put it
one
right there.
Right there.
So it's very nice. It's really nice.
And get the balcony so we can have an idea of what it's gonna look like.
The carpet,
It
yeah.
is hot.
I know. This Arizona heat is not nice.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's a nice size. So, guess which apartment I got approved for? And we'll be moving in October. Wow, so excited to take you guys on this journey with me as I go from, as you've already seen, picking my apartment, which I got, to shopping for my apartment, which is a lot of money, to moving into my first apartment, to freaking decorating it and making it my own. You only get one first apartment, and this is mine. I get to, you know, look back on this journey that I'm taking on my own, and I'm so excited, and I get to share it with you guys. I don't want to be sentimental, but this is a really big moment in my life. So are you guys ready? Because I'm ready. I'm scared, but I'm ready. So don't forget to subscribe to be part of this. Bam. Also follow me on Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat at IamSimplyMorgan. Tell your girl what's up. Hey dog. What's happening? And I'll see you guys in my next video. A peace out. Skillet, a biscuit. Wink wink. Bye.